Well, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful Friday here in Inman, South Carolina, just on the south side of Lake Bowen, on the north side of Boiling Springs. I don't know if you noticed the previous posts about the high schooler that is just eating lunch alone, but here at Boiling Springs High School would not let that happen this year. That just goes to show you the kind of people that are around here. Not only are they good to be around, but their kids are good to be around, and it really, really made me proud to say I'm from Boiling Springs, South Carolina. Still a Boiling Springs advocate, even though we live on the north edge of it. Being unincorporated, it's kind of tough to say I live in Boiling Springs because it's not a city, it's not a town, it's not a village, it's a unincorporated area. And so Inman's kind of creeped across the interstate, but they're good people too, most of them anyway. A few of them, I won't name them. Anyway, it's a joke. They'll get it, you won't. The other good thing is we've got some changes going on here at the office. We are expanding. We've got at least one, if not two chiropractors interested in coming in here and sharing what they know about chiropractic and how they do chiropractic with this area. And that's very exciting to explore. It's not settled yet, but that means we will have 4 chiropractors operating out of this. We don't operate, we don't do drugs. But we'll have 4 chiropractors using this space to see their clients. That means that we open more days and more hours, and you'll have some really good resources available to you, and I'll have some really good resources available to me so that we can get all y'all in a better state of health, constantly striving for that 100% optimization so you can fully experience and express life at its maximum potential. I don't know if any of that made sense. It made sense to me. The other thing I wanted to talk about is there are people getting the message around here. People are living their life fuller. People are living their life to full potential. It was amazing. I do the Titron scans before and after. Gives us a really good indication of how the nervous system is doing. And to have 3 people show up clear on a day is the first time that's happened in a very long time. So that's Nancy. Very good things going on. It's really nice to see that happening. That's what we've been talking about. It's really nice to see them get excited about, oh, I get to pay you for doing nothing today except for scanning me. Yay, I'm free of subluxation. That means they get it. That means they know that subluxation is the enemy here. Subluxation is it's the enemy. It's a thing that robs you of life and living. And if we can get rid of that, help your body get rid of that, your body can heal and your body can go and do some amazing things. Anyway, your body's not near its full potential if you have subluxation, not even close. And then when you talk about years of subluxations, layering upon layering and habitualizing and changing and adapting to the subluxation that was a maladaptation, it gets really crazy. But to see 50-year-old people show up clear, that is absolutely wonderful. That's why I do what I do. Anyway, come on in, purechironow.com/appointment. We're at the corner of 292 and Route 9 in beautiful Inman, Lake Bowen, Boiling Springs, South Carolina. Not a better place on this earth to live, in my opinion, and we're just loving it. We love our people, we love our neighbors, and we can't wait to serve you too. So make sure you bring in your friends, your families, your neighbors, your enemies, your coworkers, your boss. Everybody around you needs to know about chiropractic. And if you're not in this area, make sure you reach out if you're not going to chiropractor on a regular basis, and I'll make sure that I hook you up with somebody that's really qualified, really good. I'll take care of you almost as good as I get. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.